8th Mathematics, Chapter 3, Linear Equations in One Variable. Dear children, today we will begin a new chapter, that is Linear Equations in One Variable. Linear Equations in One Variable. Definition: the linear equations in one variable is an equation which is expressed in the form of ax plus b equal to 0. Ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are two integers and x is a variable and has only one solution. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is a linear equation because 2x plus 3 equal to 0 is in the form of ax plus b equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, x is a variable, b is equal to 3. Children, let us recall the technique of solving equation with one example. Find the solution of 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Solution. Write 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Now shift this minus 3 to the right hand side. Then it becomes 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. 2x is equal to 7 plus 3 is 10. Now here 2x is 2 into x. Shift this 2 to the right hand side. Then x is equal to 10 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore x is equal to 5. Value of x is equal to 5. Some applications of linear equations. Children, we begin this with a simple example. Sum of two numbers is 74. One of the number is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? I repeat, sum of two numbers is 74. One of the number is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? We have a puzzle here. We do not know either of the two numbers and we have to find them. We are given two conditions. First one of the number is 10 more than the other. And the second one, their sum is 74. First one of the number is 10 more than the other. Second one, their sum is 74. Now consider condition 1. If the smaller number is taken to be x, the larger number is 10 more than x. We already know from class 7 how to proceed. If the smaller number is taken to be x, the larger number is 10 more than x, that is 10 plus x. The other condition says that the sum of these two numbers x and x plus 10 is 74. The sum of these two numbers x and x plus 10 is 74. That is x plus 10 is equal to 74. Now solve the equation. X plus 10 is equal to 74. X plus x is 2x plus 10, that is equal to 74. Shift this 10 to the right hand side. 2x is equal to 74 minus 10. 2x is equal to 64. 2x means 2 into x. Shift this 2 to the right hand side. X is equal to 64 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. X is equal to 32. Therefore, the smaller number is 32. Therefore, the bigger number is x plus 10. That is, substitute the value of x 32 plus 10. That is equal to 42. Now consider exercise 3.2. First question. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Solution. Let the number be x. Subtract half from a number x minus half and multiply the result by half. That is half into x minus half. According to the question, half into x minus half. Answer is 1 by 8. Now you simplify this equation. First you shift half to the right hand side. X minus half, that is equal to 1 by 8 divided by half. That is equal to 1 by 8 into reciprocal of half is 2. Therefore x minus half is equal to 1 by 8 into 2. X minus half is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. X minus half is equal to 1 by 4. X is equal to, shift this minus half to the right hand side. 1 by 4 plus half. Now you simplify this. Common denominator is 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4 ones are 4. Therefore 1 into 1 is 1. Plus 2 twos are 4. Therefore 1 into 2 is 2. X is equal to 1 plus 2 by 4. That is equal to 3 divided by 4. Therefore x is equal to 3 divided by 4. Number is 3 divided by 4. Consider the second question. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth? Solution. Let the breadth of the pool be x meter. Breadth of the pool be x meter. Then what about the length? Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice of the breadth is 2x. Okay. Therefore, the length of the pool is 2x plus 2 meter. Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Perimeter. Perimeter of a swimming pool is 154 meter. We know that perimeter is equal to, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Substitute the values. Perimeter given 154. 154 is equal to, write 2 here. In the bracket write 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2, that is length, plus breadth. Plus breadth is x meter. Simplify this equation. Shift this 2 to the left hand side. 154 divided by 2, that is equal to 2x plus 2 plus x. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 1 remainder 14, 2 sevens are 14, 77, that is equal to 2x plus 2 plus x. 2x 77 is equal to 2x plus 2 plus x. 77 is equal to 2x plus x is 3x. 3x plus 2. Shift this 2 to the left hand side. 77 minus 2, that is 75, equal to 3x. 3x means 3 into x. Shift this 3 to the left hand side. 77 divided by 3 equal to x. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 1 remainder, 3 fives are 15. Therefore, x is equal to 25. Therefore, breadth of the pool is 25 meter. Therefore, length of the pool 2x plus 2. Substitute the values. 2 into x. X is 25 plus 2. 25 twos are 50. 50 plus 2, 52 meter. Let us consider third question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle with the two equal sides. Isosceles triangle is a triangle with the two equal sides. Solution. Let each of equal sides of an isosceles triangle be x centimeter. Okay, x centimeter. Here base is given. Base of the isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. And perimeter is given 4, 2 by 15 centimeter. We have to find the length of either of the remaining equal sides. We have to find the value of x here. We know perimeter of the triangle is sum of each sides, that is equal to, perimeter is given, substitute the value 4, 2 by 15 equal to base. Base is given 4 by 3 plus sum of two equal sides, x plus x. Simplify this. First you simplify the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 into 15, that is 60. 60 plus 2 is 62. 62 divided by 15. 62 divided by 15 is equal to 4 by 3 plus x plus x. Shift this 4 by 3 to the left hand side. 62 divided by 15 minus 4 by 3, that is equal to x plus x. Take the LCM of 15 and 3, that is 15. Okay, 15 ones are 15, therefore 62 ones are 62. Write the minus sign here. 3 5s are 15, therefore 4 5s are 20. 62 minus 20 divided by 15 is equal to x plus x. That is equal to 62 minus 20 is 42 divided by 15 is equal to x plus x is 2x. 3 14s are 42. 3 5s are 15. Simplify this. 14 divided by 5, that is equal to 2x. Shift this 2 to the left hand side. That is 14 divided by 5 into 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 is half. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Therefore, answer is 7 by 5. It is equal to x. Hence, each equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 7 by 5. Consider ninth question. The ages of Rahul and Haron are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Solution. Let the present age of Rahul be 5x. Present age of Haron be 7x. 4 years later, Rahul's age be 5x plus 4. 4 years later, Haron's age be 7x plus 4. According to the condition. See the condition here. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4, that is equal to 56. Bring this term 7x near the 5x. 5x plus 7x plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 56. 5x plus 7x is 12x plus 4 is 8. 12x plus 8, that is equal to 56. 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. 12x is equal to 48. X is equal to 48 divided by 12. X is equal to 4. 12 4s are 48. Therefore, present age of Rahul is 5x, that is equal to 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 years. Therefore, present age of Haron is 7x. 7 into 4, substitute the value of 4 here. 7 4s are 28 years. Now consider 12th question. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? I repeat, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Solution. Let Ravi's present age be x years. 15 years from now, Ravi's age is equal to x plus 15 years. According to the condition. What is the condition? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. that is x plus 15, that is equal to 4 times his percentage, 4 into x. Okay, now shift this x to the right hand side. Then 15 is equal to 4x plus x becomes minus x, 4x minus x. 15 is equal to 4x minus x is 3x. Shift this 3. 3x means 3 into x. Shift this 3 to the left hand side. 15 divided by 3, that is equal to x. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Therefore 5 is equal to x. X is equal to 5. Therefore Ravi's present age be 5 years. Therefore Ravi's present age is 5 years. Homework. First question. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Second question. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Third question. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Thank you.